Welcome again to another video. Today I will show you how to create a subscribe button on YouTube in Filmora. The image and audio needed to create a subscribe button on YouTube are already ready. To download this image and audio, visit the link in the video description box. Insert all images and audios in Filmora. In the beginning, we will add a green screen. For this, I am going to the simple color folder. Drag and drop the green image into the timeline. Click right button on the green image. Now click on duration. Give the input duration of 10 seconds. Then click on the project media folder. Drag the subscribe background image to the timeline. Make the background a little smaller. Set the background image to 10 seconds. Select the white background image and click on the edit icon. Click on animation. Then click on customize. Click on the add button. A point has been made in the image. Then drag the image down. I will make the second point a little further away. Click the add button again. Then drag the image to the previous place at the top. Okay, animation created. Click on the play button and check. In the same way, the animation in all other images, including the logo image. Then I will add click audio on subscribe button. To do this, drag the audio to the timeline. Click on the hand image and select the scissor icon. The image will be split separately. Similarly, drag the bell audio to the timeline.